All right.
Look, you already know Trophies is the #1 go-to spot for all the luxury furniture and all that. But I want to let you know, man, we have not forgot about you no matter what budget you in. So let me show you what we got right here. We got the full mattress, the platform frame, 2 nightstands, and a chest dresser for only $250. That's $250. This could be yours today. The good thing about it is, you see all this space? Your kids can put your shoes underneath the bed, won't be all over the room. And then, like I told you, instead of spending a lot of money on a luxury spot, we know how it is when you first get your first apartment. But now, we got the $100 dinette sets. That's a table and 4 chairs. Only $100 at Trophies, baby. And then in your kids in school, we got the desk for only $80. That's the chair and the desk for only $80. This is the Trophy Startup Kit, but guess what? This is how you mix and match the fly with this right here. And then you already know how it go, man. It's only how you decorate it, how you make it. Trophies, we here for you, baby.